everyone, this is Mina from English with Mina channel. Welcome back. In this video, we want to learn how we can describe a person. Imagine you see someone who you like and you want to tell your best friend how he looks like. How can you do that? Can you talk about his height, his weight, his eye color? Do you know how to do that? In this video, I want to teach you how you can describe people. Let's start. Okay, let's start by describing people, focusing on their appearance and how they look. The two most common ways of describing people are by talking about their weight and their height. Look at the pictures of the women here. How much do they weigh? How much do they weigh? What does this mean? For example, this lady, is she 50 kilograms? What about this one? Maybe 65 kilograms? Or this one? So, when we are talking about people's weight, this is how we can describe them. Slim, medium average weight, and overweight. How about their height? Look at these men. How tall is this guy? Maybe 200 centimeters? He's tall. This guy is of medium height or of average height. And this guy is short. Okay, now let's define some words. To weigh means to measure how heavy something or somebody is. Weight means the amount of heaviness of a person or a thing. Now, if you become heavier, you have gained weight or you have put on weight. If you lose weight, you become lighter. Now let's do some true or false exercises together. Number 1. If you are overweight, you aren't slim. Yes, this is true. If someone is fat, they are overweight. True again. The answer to how much does he weigh is 200 centimeters. No, this one is false. Thin and slim mean the same, but thin is more positive. Now, this one is also false. Thin and slim mean the same thing, but slim means thin in an attractive way. Number 5, if you lose weight, you get thinner. True. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. When we are describing people's appearance, we also talk about their hairstyle and their hair color, their eye color, and specific features on their faces. Look at these pictures. The first woman has short curly hair. She has short curly hair. The second one has black wavy hair. This woman has blonde straight hair. And this guy is bald. He has no hair. He is bald. Now look at this guy. He has mustache. He has a mustache. He has a beard. And this woman's face is covered with freckles. These dots are freckles. Now let's do this exercise together. Use the given words to complete the sentences. Number 1. People often wear hats to protect their heads from the sun. Yes, bald people. Number 2. Ben grew a for the first time and it makes him look older. A beard and a mustache. Okay. Number 3. Some people with hair like to use a straightener to change their look. Curly. Some people with curly hair like to use a straightener to change their look. Now, number 4, children often have on their noses and cheeks after playing in the sun. Yes, freckles. Well done. Okay, the last thing that you need to know when you're describing someone's appearance is that adjectives come in specific order. Look at this box. First we have size, age, shape, color, and then we have our noun. Let's take a look at these 3 examples. In the first one, we say, she has long blonde hair. You cannot say she has blonde long hair. She has long blonde hair. He has large, round, blue eyes. Number 3, he has a black mustache. Okay, let's describe pictures below. She's a tall, slim dancer with blonde curly hair and big green eyes. He is an overweight photographer with dark mustache and beard. Now it's your turn. Describe this picture in the comments. Okay, everyone. Now you know everything that you need to know to describe someone's appearance, how they look like. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe so you can see my next videos. Till my next lesson, bye.